morning and welcome to the What's Up News Network, being broadcast from Panama City Beach, Florida, the home of the world's most beautiful beaches. I am Jim Free with Jim Free Realty. Please help me out this morning by clicking on the red subscribe button just below this picture. The condo report this morning, we had 8 reports, 4 new listings, 2 had decreases in price, and 2 had increases in price. We have 552 active units, and 304 of those are Gulf front units. Of all those units, there are 11 5-bedroom units, 88 4-bedroom units, 173 3-bedroom units, 175 2-bedroom units, and 175 1-bedroom units. There are 20 studio units available. The condo units sold in the past 30 days, there were 176 units sold, 80 of which were Gulf front units. There were no 5-bedroom units sold, 22 4-bedroom units sold, 241 3-bedroom units sold, 86 2-bedrooms, and 55 1-bedrooms. Detached single-family units, we had 273 active units, 16 of which were Gulf front units. Sold in the past 30 days, there were 112 of the detached family units sold. 2 of those were Gulf front units. On the attached single family units, there were 83 sold. Were in the past 30 days were 36 of them, 2 of which were Gulf front units. From the National Association of Realtors, June's pending home sales index surged 16.6%. Year-over-year contract signings were up 6.3%, an increase which NAR chief economist calls quite surprising and remarkable in the midst of a global pandemic. COVID-19. First, let's look at the Florida data. Total cases in Florida, 451,423. Total deaths, 6,333. And non-residents, 6,457. Cases have plateaued and deaths continue to drop. The Bay County data, there's 3,195 residential cases, 62 non-residents have been confirmed with the virus, with 19 total deaths. However, the Bay County Health Department reports only 15 deaths, so we don't know which is correct. 19 reported by the state and 15 reported by the local health board. The age distribution of cases shows more new cases in the 25 to 34 age group. The median age is 39 years old in Bay County. Pediatric cases are still low, and the 85 plus age group is the lowest. The breakdown by gender is 1,681 males and 1,546 females. This is the first time since the reporting started that the male cases were higher than the female cases. The breakdown by race is 1,841 whites, 339 blacks, 164 other, and 851 unknown cases. Local news: Isaias is the new tropical storm that's expected to impact Florida this weekend. And as of now, we don't know the exact track, but the latest shows it will come up the east side of Florida, but there's still some tracks showing that it could get in the Gulf. So we don't know the exact track and we don't know the intensity yet, but pretty sure that it will impact either the east coast or the Gulf Coast of Florida sometime this weekend or early next week. Like I say, the latest projected course shows it coming up the east side, but we'll know more about that a little bit later. Governor DeSantis announced yesterday that he is extending the eviction and foreclosure ban until September the 1st. While many of my friends warn about the government officials overstepping and making us wear masks, I've been conditioned to wear a mask for a long time, ever since I was 6 years old. I'm a lifetime member of the Lone Ranger Club, and I know the secret code, but I cannot share it with you if you're not a member. I don't know for sure, but I suspect this guy also is a member. I have washed my hands so many times during this coronavirus episode in the U.S. that I'm beginning to remove layers of skin. Yesterday I discovered the answers to a 10th grade biology test written in the palm of my hand. So I'm getting down close to the bone. I like to tell jokes and have fun, but I'm not joking about this. I am dead serious. I started voting in 1960 when I turned 18, and I've never missed an opportunity to cast my vote. I am 78 now, and I know my days are numbered, but I have 2 children, 4 grandchildren, and 3 great-grandchildren, and I'm very concerned about their future, and I believe it is time for us to stand up and protect this great country. Many of our men and women have shed blood to give us the freedoms that we enjoy. We can't be the generation that squanders that freedom and leave our children and grandchildren in bondage to a Marxist and socialist government. The only thing necessary for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing. That was a quote from Edmund Burke. We cannot continue to sit on our butts and let these Marxist thugs destroy our way of life. We cannot depend on these weak-kneed mayors and governors that try to appease these thugs for political gain and refuse to protect their citizens. Proverbs 29 verse 2 in King James, when the righteous are in authority, the people rejoice, but when the wicked beareth rule, the people mourn. In Proverbs 29 verse 16, when the wicked are multiplied, transgressions increase, but the righteous shall see their fall. There was an estimate of 25 million Christians that did not vote in the last election. This is very disappointing because since then our churches have been closed, our cities have been overtaken by secular leftist activists, the media have cast Americans against each other in political correctness wars, race wars, gender wars, class wars. They have shredded the principles that bind us together. What will we tell our children and grandchildren if we don't show up this time? If you think your vote doesn't count, please consider that the last 5 presidential elections were decided by an average of 5 million votes. Every vote does count. We all have a circle of friends and relatives that we can contact and encourage them to get into the polls and vote. Use the phone and use your social media contacts. Until we meet again, may God continue to bless your family and this great country.